Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on the differences between DNA and RNA, and this was taken from the February-March 2017 DBE exam. So let's jump in. A difference between DNA and RNA. Is it A, RNA is double-stranded and DNA is single-stranded? B, DNA has a sugar phosphate frame, whereas RNA does not? C, there are weak hydrogen bonds in DNA but not in RNA? Or D, RNA is a helix structure and DNA is straight? So let's go through the options. A, RNA is double-stranded and DNA is single-stranded. That is incorrect. DNA is double-stranded and RNA is single-stranded. So A is wrong. B, DNA has a sugar phosphate frame, whereas RNA does not. That is incorrect. They both have a sugar phosphate frame. So wrong. C, there are weak hydrogen bonds in DNA, but not in RNA. That is correct. And the reason that is correct is because RNA is a single strand. It hasn't bonded to anything just yet in this context, whereas DNA is the double helix strand and it consists of weak hydrogen bonds. And let's just go through D as well. RNA has a helix structure and DNA is straight. That is incorrect because DNA has the helix structure, whereas RNA is straight. And that's it, guys. C is the correct answer. So yeah, before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and respond with a personalized video just like this, or you can check out our website for more epic videos. And just a quick shout out to our sponsor. You can find our details and their details down in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.